Hi, my name is Emerald and I will be making a dimmer switch. The materials I used are a wooden pencil, a flashlight bulb, a light bulb holder, 3 pairs of alligator clips with one end free, and a 9-volt battery. The first step I did was whittle away a wooden pencil so that the graphite core is exposed. I then connected the first set of alligator clips to one terminal of the 9-volt battery and the other end to the light bulb. The second pair of alligator clips was clipped to the other side of the terminal and to the graphite core of the pencil, and make sure that it is touching it. The third set of alligator clips is clipped to the other side of the light bulb, and one end is free, which I will be using to demonstrate. The objective is to make a dimmer switch in which you can control the lighting as it gets from its brightest to the dimmest. I will be starting off from where I marked 0 at the very bottom of the pencil. As you can see, it is very bright at 0. As I go down the graphite core, you can tell that it gradually gets dimmer. As I reach the very bottom, you can tell that it has gotten very dim. You can compare this to where it started, which is the brightest part. And that is how a dimmer switch works.